pake sabu eto pareki to yake father bono na kolire ingane eri muri okanda getoko tebie president yane for William Ruto. Kiongozi wangu mheshimiwa Moses Wetangula juzi amesema kuwa yeye angeona ingekuwa vizuri ili mheshimiwa Rais William Ruto awe na mazungumzo na mzee Raila, hata aliyekuwa rais mheshimiwa Uhuru Kenyatta, ili tujaribu kujadiliana mambo ya nchi yetu ya Kenya. I want to tell you, Mr. President, we don't want a handshake from you so that you can give us half government. We don't want. Please listen to us. We have issues that are outstanding. We know Kenya has issues. Accommodate everybody. Employ as many Kenyans as you can within the law. Beba wa Kisii chache, Wajaluo wachache, beba wa Kuria, beba wa Turkana, beba wa Coast, beba na watu wa Central. Have a government that is going to represent and reflect our national ethic. Your Excellency, we don't want this country to break down. Be magnanimous. Spend your time. Talk to Mzee Raila. I know he is reasonable. The issues he's discussing are critical and fundamental. Give him a listening. If you find it difficult, send Moses Wetangula. Send Kithure Kindiki. Those are bright, intelligent people you have in your cabinet. Wote wakishindwa na mimi nipeleke nitume, nitaenda niongee na mzee. Finally, my president, all the people who have been working in past governments, your ambassadors, your former ministers, all the permanent secretaries, please allow them to retire gracefully. This includes Honorable Matiang'i. Leave them retire gracefully. Let them go home as good people. The way I'm asking Simbarati to respect my governor James Ongwae so that he doesn't keep on pushing him, you also don't push Mr. Matiang'i for me. These people love Mr. Matiang'i. What's up? Thank you, Mr. President. I hope you have listened to me. Father, you can proceed.